Azalea, and that's little Tom in the back. But welcome to WayCrunchy YouTube channel, this old shack series where my partner and I are fixing up a $20,000 extreme fixer-upper. Now lately it's been really full steam ahead to move-in date. And a lot of you guys have looked at our virtual housewarming registry on Amazon, and coming soon to the channel, I'm going to do a very extra special thank you video for all of our supporters, our patrons, our P.O. Box buddies, and we'll do an unboxing of the housewarming goodies, and we'll be warming up our house soon. I could not do it without y'all.
She means like literally warming up our house soon.
Well, it's going to be summer, so we're not going to put in our heating system just yet. Now, let me tell y'all, this is my first fixer-upper. This is my first time experiencing handy woman stuff. And my son, homeschooled at this point in his academic career, is learning along with me, which is just cherry on top. And today we are at the City Electric Supply to get some supplies for our electrician. Now, we have an electrician running all new electricity through the house, but I have really purposely listened, paid attention, and learned as much as I possibly could from him, and it's really paying off. I'm learning so much, and I'm out here picking up some supplies for him today. Alright, so one thing I would just like to say is that, you know, if you're thinking about doing a fixer-upper, an extreme fixer-upper, then you need at least one person, like you or your partner, that can dedicate at least part-time work, if not full-time work, to the project, managing the project and putting in hours of labor. So like right now, this is a Siemens distributor, this electrical supply store. We need a GE distributor, but they gave us directions to go to that electrical supply store. So a lot of it is making lots and lots of phone calls and driving around lots of places. So here we go.
Everything here.
You think they have everything?
I'm looking at that. See?
The big supply warehouse.
Supply room. Yeah, it seems like they're popular with electricians. Get me 2 Big Macs.
Alright, so while I've been out shopping, light fixtures have been going up in the house. And it looks, I mean, I'm so excited. Here's that porch light I got for $5. Y'all, I've had a long day. It was Tom's co-op day all day long today, and I hadn't had a chance to get back in this house since meeting with the plumber and having the electrician get all the switches and the plugs, and the light fixtures that have been bought are up. So it feels really good to be at the house now at the end of this long day. Oh, look, remember this guy? How cute is that? We got switches. We don't have power yet, but we got switches. Fun. Y'all, I don't even think I'm going to tell y'all what that plumber quoted me for putting in all new plumbing here at this house. But it was a lot. It was going to be a lot. So my electrician works for $25 an hour. My contractor works for $50 an hour. The plumber was going to want $100 an hour. So I am still on a quest to get some more quotes and see what can be done. So I wish that was resolved. I wish the toilet was going in today, but I'm going to have to keep looking, do some due diligence. All right, so I'm going to do a little experiment, something I haven't done with you guys before, but that you might find interesting and helpful in your frugal journey to beautiful decor. Let's see, now I'm going to need a paint stirrer. Anything will work. So y'all remember in the children's upstairs room, their closet and the ceiling of their room is this light blue color. So I took a pickle jar and I poured that pickle jar full of that light blue paint, screwed on the lid real tight, and put it in the shelf on their closet in the back. That's saved back in case we ever need touch-ups. So yeah, that's a good idea. Save some of your color so you don't end up having to go get a whole new color when you don't really want to. And also it just helps your house look clean. Y'all know I love cleanliness. If you watch my cleanliness videos, my clean with me. But yeah, touching up paint is something you can do to maintain your house. Anyway, but there is just like probably a 1/2 or 3/4 of an inch of this light blue paint in the bottom of here. What I'm doing today is I am Frankensteining. I am mixing together some different paints to see what kind of a color I can create to go in this master bedroom with what I've already got on hand. Because lately I've been spending money and I would like to stop spending money. Okay, this is the real light yellow that I tried to paint the living room with, and I painted a little bit under the dark yellow I went with because it gave more depth to the dark yellow in the living room. But I'm going to mix now some of this light yellow because I did not like that light yellow once I got it up. And it's okay if it goes with the dark yellow, but I am never going to use this much. It's practically full. I'm never going to use this in the house. So I want to mix with things I'm not going to use as they are. So I'm going to pour this yellow in with this blue. So it's a real light blue and it's a real light yellow. What color does that make, y'all? Yellow and blue makes green. Can you tell I've been homeschooling children for 18 years? Just kidding, I'm not that old. I mean, I guess I could have an 18-year-old child. Anyway, now I'm gonna, let me just mixy the blue and the yellow and see where we're at. Y'all wanna see, don't you? You can barely see the blue. It's just like yellow. It hasn't mixed together good. When you're doing painty, mixy, mix it. You want to mix it up real good. Otherwise, it'll just kind of be like marbled, like streaks of one color inside of the other color. I gotta say, this little bit of blue, though, has cooled this yellow down. I got something cool once I get the color right. We'll see. Now this is really mixed into more of a creamy color. That actually will look better than that pale, like nursery yellow. Little Bo Peep nursery baby's yellow, which did not work for my vibe. But this just looks like a creamy color paint if you wanted like a creamy color that I don't. The whites in my house are going to be pure white. Brilliant, pure gallery wall white. All the trim in this house is going to be white. So this cream that I have created out of this yellow and this blue, that's not going anywhere in here. But maybe if I add green. I hear my daughter. She's playing outside. I think she's going to come in. All right, y'all watch this. All right, now we're getting green. Yeah, mix it real good before it all looks green. All right, I'm gonna need more of this in here. Now here's a goodie. This metallic pearlescent tint base. It's like a glaze.
Hi.
So I'm going to see what happens. Hi. So I'm going to see what happens and if we can make like a pearlescent light green for the bedroom. It sounds wild, but let's see. So that a lot of the paint is something I got either on Lowe's clearance or at the Habitat for Humanity restore. All of my whites have been gifted to me kindly by a neighbor, and then my colors, except for the yellow for the living room and the green for the kids. And the kids green and the kids yellow are the only ones I've had mixed just for me. Full price.
What?
Oh, did you lose a tooth?
Nope.
Oh, your new tooth is coming in your empty tooth hole. I see your new tooth.
Yeah.
That one's not coming in yet.
There was a white tooth.
Yeah. That one's getting a new tooth.
My tooth get big.
Your front ones are getting big.
Touch it, Ma.
I'm not going to touch it. My hands are dirty. So you can see the pearlescence. Let's see what a little bit of this does. Follow me. Okay, so I thought this was more of like a clear glaze tint thing that you could mix with other things. That's how dark and thick it comes on. So this is probably going to be the handrail for the stairs. Not tinting this green like I thought it would, but that's going to be sweet. Shiny handrail.
And that tape.
All right, I'm going to do a test.
But I want to taste it.
All right, let's see. So you can see here where I tested that yellow that didn't work. Green is gorgeous. All right, Zinnia, you ready to paint this room?
Sure.
Yeah. Tom, what do you name this green I invented?
A pear green. I mean, look at this. Pear.
Pear, yeah. Okay, you're doing good, see. What are you doing?
Cheese.